In this Parent Planet tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add students to a group within an organization. Start by clicking the Settings button in the top left corner of the screen. Next, click Organizations, then choose the desired organization, then click Groups, then choose the desired group, and now click Students, and click the plus button in the top right hand corner. At this point, you get three choices in terms of how you'd like to add the students to the group. The first one is Add from Organization. In this case, you can choose any group that is within that organization and add students that are in that group. Or you could add an entire group. For example, if I wanted to make this group contain all the children that are in first grade Mrs. Adams class and gymnastics, I could select those two and click Done, and it would add all the children in those groups to this group that I'm creating. In this case, I'm going to select individual children. So if I click the arrow on the right of any of the groups, I can go into that group and see all the students and pick certain ones. In this case, I'm just going to add one child, and that one child is going to be Sally 1. So I check the checkbox next to Sally 1, or any other children I'd like to add, and then I click Done, and then click Done one more time on the top right. And now Sally 1 has been added to this group. The other way to do this is to click Students and to click the plus, and I can also add a child by the student ID number. In this case, you need to type the student ID number, and remember that it is case sensitive. So if you're adding a child, please make sure to type the lowercase and the uppercase letters exactly as they appear in that child's student ID. We'd simply enter the student ID and click Submit, and they would be added to this group. The third method is by email and student name. In this case, you need to type the child's first name, last name, and the parent's email address, as so. And then click Submit. The nice thing about the name and email method is it does not matter if the child is part of the organization or even has a Parent Planet account. If they don't have an account or their parents don't have an account, this method will actually create an account for this parent and send them an email to let them know that you have added them to the group and set them up with an account in Parent Planet. So those are the three methods for adding children to organization groups within Parent Planet.